out the morning, foggy. The mountains are surrounded with lots of fog. Looks really beautiful. I wish I'd captured it earlier for you guys. But it's gonna, I think it's looking like we get some fog up ahead. The mountains look amazing. No snow on these mountains. Too low in elevation. But the ones behind us are covered in snow. Well, look at how beautiful it looks up ahead. I need to take out my camera and take photos. Look at that. It looks like steam coming off the mountain. U2J Tree. Do you see that guy's license plate? U2 Joshua Tree. I miss having a personalized license plate. Everybody in California has got a license plate, personalized plate. How cool!
You guys don't have them in Minnesota?
We do, but not many people get them. They're probably more expensive in Minnesota. I've never had the urgency to have one, but when I lived in California, every car of mine had my name on it. I had a Marina C, a Marina 8, Marina 7. When I had Marina 8, people would say, "What did you eat?" It's not that funny. It's not that funny. Jeez. Oh, look at the fog up ahead. Looks like a fire. That looks amazing. Stop laughing at me. I have that one in my garage in Minnesota. Minnesota. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Look at it. It's really bad over there. You sure it's not a fire?
Mm-mm.
Wow.
You're getting closer to the lake.
The lake. Oh, Lake Matthews?
Lake Elsinore. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, Paris is the other way. The lake. Oh, the lake. Going to the lake.
Yeah, because Maine would be the first exit to head over.
Okay. Is this near where you live, work?
Yeah.
Did you go to the lake for your lunch hour?
No?
I don't know what people do out here.
The homeless are over by.
What? At the lake?
Over by, yeah. Where else are they going to go?
I don't know where homeless hang out. Lake Elsinore. You're getting that all over my car.
It's not. It was nothing.
Nothing. Welcome to the fog. Welcome to I was going to say Minnesota fog. California fog. Welcome to Lake Elsinore. Aquí estamos en el Lake Elsinore.
Elsinore.
Elsinore. Vamos a Elsinore. I wonder what that name's from. Do you know the history of that name?
Nope.
Can you find out? Thanks. Paris, San Juan Capistrano, next right. I need to go there one day. I haven't been there since I was a kid. San Juan Capistrano. Where are we going, you say? I can't share that with you yet. When you know, you know. When you know this route, you know where you're going. You just know. Skechers Outlet. Huh. There's Honda if I need to take my car. Everybody's doing 90, 100 miles an hour, and I'm doing 70-ish, and it's 55 here. Everybody does above 80 and beyond, everywhere you go.
Actually, the 15 is 70.
70? Well, I'm doing 80 now, so we're good.
But they still drive 100.
I know, that's what I mean, they drive by me. I am literally doing 80, and this guy, look at, it just passed me. He's got to be doing 90.
Way more than 90.
I mean, I don't understand why people don't get tickets. I'll never understand that. They're afraid of getting shot at, or what? They're afraid of I don't know. It's California for you. Hey, I can go in the fast lane because I've got a passenger. Look at those mountains. I just want to paint them with that white fog around them. I want to make a paint. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That looks amazing. Oh, I wish you guys could see the whole scene here. It looks so beautiful. The mountains
Because the lake is right there. That's why it's like
I
that.
see.
That's exactly where the lake is.
Let's see. Here, point that way. Just pan it. Oh, come back over here. Look, here's the fog. Here's the fog. That looks so cool. Hey Maria. Maria's watching. How are you? Gonna be passing Marietta. I wish I could go see Elena. I wish it wasn't COVID times. I'd stop over and see her. She's probably sleeping anyway. It's a little early. Let's see, Maria's sending me a message.
Are you leaving?
Maria, you're too funny. I'm heading not north. I'm not heading east. If I'm passing Elsinore and going towards Marietta, it's a quiz. Where am I headed?
Look at that.
Oh my God, that looks beautiful. This whole scene looks amazing. Picturesque. This whole scene is picturesque. When you're a photographer, this is a photographer's canvas right now. Oh, and then down there with the palm trees in the midst of the mist. That looks so cool. Reply. No. I'm doing, let's see, 76 now. The Audi that's coming behind me looks like he's doing 125,000. Watch him go by me. It just amazes me.